Hi, this is Shabat Kotali here. This is very important video for the final year VTU engineering students. This video is all about the final year internship. Uh, Before I start the video, let me tell you, share some facts with you. Every year, this internship is about internship, and yeah, the fact is, every year 15 lakh engineering students pass out. Okay, 15 lakh engineering students. Okay, pass out every year around the India, and only 1.5 lakh students are employable, and 13.5 lakh students remain unemployed. Okay, the biggest reason is they don't take this engineering seriously, especially in the final year. Okay, this is a time when you need to be very serious about your career, understand the market trend, job market, job opportunities. Okay, so I'm bringing this video to make you understand what exactly is the internship and how it can play a very major role to become the successful soon after the engineering. We at Innoovatum, we believe that the student who has passed engineering, he has the ability to get the job. But here the most important thing is how soon he gets the job soon after the completion of engineering. That matters most. Okay, as the months, years goes on after engineering, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, the the depression, the demotivation roll into the life, and they are the worst enemies of the human being well-being. Okay, so coming back to the topic of the video, that is internship. We at Innoovatum, we provide one of the best internship program in India. You heard it right. I said it, best in the India. Okay, because we are running like Innoovatum since from last 10 to 12 years. Okay, we started the internship for the final year engineering students. Not only engineering, for BCI, MCI, MTech also. Our mission, we started the company with the sole mission of revolutionizing engineering education in India and to make engineering graduates employable. Now, I'm not talking about just like A place, we are talking about B, C and D place also. Okay, hope you understand. I'm not differentiating students here. I'm differentiating based on the learning abilities. Everyone has a different learning abilities here. And so the kind of internship Innoovatum conducts, okay, we invest on each and every individual. We try to understand the psychology, I mean to say how a student thinks and feels about the different things in the situation in the life, and we work on them, and we have achieved massive success with this framework. We not only just teach the technical abilities, technical skill sets. You have crores of videos on the internet who will teach you Java, Python, UX, UI, data science, many videos. Still, 80% of the graduation community is unemployed. There might be some reason, right? So what we did, we first understand the student and which domain suits the best as per his psychology and mentality. We work on that, and by this framework from last 5 years, we have placed hundreds, thousands of the students in the MNC company. Even not with just like 2-3 lakh package. Our package went to from 5-10 to 18.5 LPA. We have successful students who thought achieving the success after engineering is rarely possible. We made it possible, not only just with the express technical teaching, along with conducting mock interviews, taking personality tests, and right now the Innoovatum has its India's first AI-based personality test, which will tell you what exactly you are capable of. I mean to say your natural abilities matches with your domain, or that is IT field. Okay, so please, for complete details about the internship, please go through link in the description, and you're free to contact anytime to the Innoovatum.com. Thanks for listening, watching the video till end. Thank you everyone.